Hey friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching blogger, and I have a very special video for you. One that is very unique, maybe unlike any video I've ever done before, because I honestly don't know what to expect. A friend of the vlog, James Anderson, from the country of Australia, sent me this humongous parcel all the way from Australia. And I honestly have no idea. I have no idea what is in it. I'm assuming that it's probably geocaching related, but I don't know. I've been sitting on this for 6 weeks because I just haven't had time to open it, but today I do. Okay, first thing I see is bubble wrap. So bubbly. There's a lot going on here. It's just like a box filled with stuff. The very first thing in here says stickers open first. Inside here are more envelopes. This one says open first and this one says open second. So I'm going to continue following the directions very clearly as I figure out what this is all about. We have just a really nice, well-written letter from James. But basically I'm being thanked for my videos, which is so kind, and I would love to go caching someday in Australia, and I will get there. I will get there hopefully someday, but thank you so much for the nice letter. And now we're gonna go to the open second envelope. Oh my gosh. This has got to be one of the most epic geocaching boxes filled with geocaching goodies. It is like a 5 or 6 page list of all the things that James has gifted me, has given me. Apparently a lot of stuff in here came from the only brick and mortar geocaching store in Australia. First thing here with these stickers, look at this. We got multiple stickers to cover geocaches with. Look at these. One fits into rock hides. We got real camoed ones, a different kind of camo. So these are used to, it looks like camouflage geocaches. This camo fits perfectly on these mint tins. So this pattern actually fits perfectly with this, and it turns into this. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like this in the United States. So cool, and it's a perfect, look at, perfect container. Inside here are rubber protectors of trackable tags too. And lots of more log sheets. I got a sticker for my car that says geocache maintenance vehicle. I got a satellite trackable sticker that can also be put on my vehicle. A geocaching Victoria sticker. There's boxes within boxes. What is this? Oh my gosh. Look at that, it's my path tag on top of this container. And what's in here? Oh my gosh, you guys. These are geocaching vlogger coasters. See that? They're coasters. I can set drinks on them. And it looks like on the bottom they are all trackable as well. We got a trackable here with a little protective rubber thing around the edges. We got several geocaching trackable tags. Many of them are different. Got a logbook inside here. Guys, there's so much in here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have six mint tins. Inside each of these mint tins are just tons of logbooks. These mint tins can be used as caches. Look at this, super nice bison tube. Big bison tube, these are amazing. And there's, oh my gosh, self-ink stamp. There's a stamp in here. And more logbooks. You guys, I've been geocaching for 14 years and I've never had anything like this. This is a stamp with my logo on it. It's me, it's my path tag. I have a stamp with my path tag on it. James, that is so nice. Thank you so much. This is so fun. I got this thing called Geonauts quality gear. It is the ultimate lanyard. Paracords uses for geocaching are unlimited. Help place a geocache up a tree or lower it down. Although not designed for climbing, in an emergency it can be used to help boost yourself up a slippery slope. Some awesome paracord geocaching stuff, the ultimate lanyard. More logbooks inside. We got another official geocache. More mint tins. With more logbooks inside. And this is, are these actually the, I think there's actual mints in these. Oh no. Oh no. He stuffed these with path tags. There's path tags in here. And he gave several of these for me to give out, I believe. According to the letter, he asked me to give these path tags out, especially to scouts, because they do have the scouting logo on them. So generous of you, so kind. It's just overwhelming, the amount of stuff. What's in here? What is this? Another stamp. This one has a Geo Stuff stamp holder inside of it, and there's another stamp in here. Oh my gosh, it says the geocaching vlogger on here, TFTC. I think I could maybe change the date. Let's see, I'm gonna stamp it. Yes, it's a stamp, and I can change, on this one I can change the date on it. So, another stamp. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh, I'm just overwhelmed. So we got a pickup tool, magnetic with a claw and an LED light on it. That could come in handy for some geocaches. I'm almost afraid of missing something. There's so much in here. It's a Geo Stuff Geocoin. It is also trackable. Oh good. I got instructions on how to make the stamp work and change the dates. We got a little camoed pouch in here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. We got a little caching container, but inside here, FTF coins in here. Oh my gosh, I just realized that these FTF coins on the other side they're customized and they say from the geocaching vlogger. How cool is that? A ready to go geocaching kit. It looks like a little maintenance kit here. In here, more flashlights, more mint tins, pens. Oh my gosh, the pen says the geocaching vlogger on it. I'm just so overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed by all these gifts. Got another little pouch in here. Okay, we got another bigger trackable tag. Oh my gosh, it's a name tag. Look at that. Hello, my name is the geocaching vlogger Joshua, and I'm covering up the trackable number. James had this customized for me. Oh my goodness. I'm overwhelmed. And these here, these are like for path tags. You can travel, you can string up path tags on these things, and you can have them, you can travel with your path tags with these little ropey things. Inside here we also have a AA battery holder, very useful. It's just one thing after another. There's just a ton of geocaching pencils in here too. I'm pretty much set for life, I think, with geocaching stuff. We got a golf ball geocache. Oh my gosh, it's this shirt. It's my own Australia geocaching shirt. Geocaching logo on the back. Really nice shirt. Oh my gosh. Very useful. We got tweezers. Really nice tweezers. Non-magnetic. We got 3D printed geocaches. They're not opening. I think it's a little puzzle box. Oh, wait. Yes, it is. Got it open, and there's a little bison tube in here as well. Oh my gosh. And I got not one, but I got two of these. Oh my god. This is just what you need. It's a geocaching maintenance vest. For those high muggle areas. There it is. How about that? Now I look official. Geocache maintenance team. Wow. And there it is. I got everything out of there. Holy cow. This was just overwhelming. I've never received so many geocaching goodies ever in my life in a box. Very generous, very cool. Wow, thank you, James. The stamps, I've been geocaching 14 years, I've never had a stamp. I'm set for life for geocaching. I'm so overwhelmed I might have to give some of this stuff to other people too, because it's just so nice. Geocachers are the nicest people. I'll say it again and again. And proof is in this amazing box. There's so much involved here. I hope I covered it all, because it was just one treasure trove after another. Wow. And I'm just especially impressed with all the personalized items. You took a lot of effort and a lot of expense to get this over here, so thank you so much. If you watched this whole thing, you were just as surprised with me, and that's really cool, really special. I'll catch you in the next video, and go over here. You can catch another video over there, and I'll meet you over there.